Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. In this video I am going to show how to get umrah permit from the nusuk app. Firstly, we have to go to Play Store as you seen in the video, and you have to type nusuk. Then you will get the app. In my phone it is already installed, so it shows like open. In the option of open you get install. You have to install, then you get the two options like login and new user. Here we have to select the new user. As you seen, I select the new user. Then we get the three options like citizen or residence, gulf, visitor. Here most of the peoples are visitors, so I am showing the visitor process. We have, if you get a umrah means you get the visa number, so you have to type the visa number, and you next you have the option of passport number. You have to type the passport number, and then the option is date of birth. You have to type your date of birth. I am in this video I am randomly selecting the numbers and the date of birth, so you have to mention your correct details. And then the option is nationality. You have to select your nationality as per your passport number, as per your passport. I am selecting here UK. Here so many countries is there. You have to select as per your country. I am selecting here UK. Then you have the option of mobile number. You have to type your country code and your mobile number. I am giving here random numbers. Then we have the option of email. The main thing in this app is email. Why? Because for the visitors it is login through email only. I am writing here random email ID like xyz@gmail.com. You have to write your correct email address. Why? Because OTP has been sent to your email only. The login process will be with the Gmail only, Gmail or any mail. Then after you have to confirm your email, and you have to type your password like a strong password, like one letter is capital and the remaining is small and the numbers. And then does user need any special assistance like any physical handicapped persons? You have to select, otherwise you don't select. And the three options is there. You have to accept the remaining three, and then you have to click on register. You will get the, before you are going to click the register, you have to take the all the things. Whether it is mentioned in the red means you have write the wrong things. You have to correct it, and then you have to again register it. I am typed here is wrong password, as confirm password is different, so it shows like in the red. If we type the correct one in the two options, then it will take to register. If the email is already registered with the nusuk means it will show like the user is already registered, like as you seen in the pop-up, email is already used, so you have to put the correct one as before not registered. Now the process of registration is completed. Again you have to log in the with the username and password. When you log in, the OTP will send to your mail. After entering the OTP, your screen will display like this. You have the three options like local Hajj and umrah and Prophet Mosque service, which is for the registration of Riyazul Jannah. You can register Riyazul Jannah here only in the Prophet Mosque service. As here we are discussing about the umrah, so we have to, the process is same for the Roda, which is in Medina. You have to select umrah and your name automatically it will display. You have to select this one and you have to take the which date you want to take. You have to select and the timing will come. Then you have to take the timing, which time is okay to you. You have to select and please get the permit. Then this is the screen of permit. This is the process you have to follow. I hope you will understand. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get the information regarding the umrah and Masjid Nabawi sallallahu alaihi wasallam.